Sboly single-serve coffee maker, two-way coffee machine for K-cup pods and ground coffee, compact coffee brewer with 5 brew size, 30 ounces removable reservoir, and adjustable drip tray. 2 brewing options in one machine. Choose ground coffee or K-cup pods to enjoy any form of coffee you wish. Additionally, the large filter basket can hold 30 grams of ground coffee, which can make 6 cups of coffee. 30 ounces removable water reservoir. The large capacity and clearly marked scale allows you to accurately control the amount of water added and can brew multiple cups of coffee. 5 cup sizes meet the needs of multiple cups of coffee by selecting 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces, or 24 ounces size button. Allows you to brew a single-serve cup of coffee or share a robust, satisfying drinking experience with friends. 3-level adjustment options. Removable drip tray allows you to adjust the proper height to prevent coffee spillage, which can accommodate up to 7.2 travel mugs or standard cup. Easy and fast brewed. The button layout is simple, and the brewing programming saves time. Enjoy multiple cups of delicious coffee in 3 minutes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.